Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you like this look, make sure to stay tuned. So, this is my face primer and I really like it, and it's like the best face primer. It makes me feel super refreshed, if you know what I'm saying. This look that I made today, it's kind of like just a regular look that I kind of did. It's not anything super special or anything. Yeah. And what I did after this was I went to go look at apartments here in Germany. And why does it have to be so difficult to find an apartment in Germany? Like, we found one and we really, really liked it because it would be great to raise kids in and stuff. And they allowed pets, but then they wanted us to pay $4,000 for the kitchen. Like, why is it such a, like, why do you have to pay for a kitchen in Germany? It makes no sense to me, an American, where your kitchen is included when you rent an apartment. It makes no sense. Could, like, someone please explain it to me? Because my husband, he doesn't even know why either, and he's German, and he says it doesn't make any sense. And it's just super annoying, even though there's probably no German people that watch my videos, because I've only had, like, a max of 16 people watch one of my videos. But it's just, it makes things so much difficult, or blah, 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 blah. But, and then it's so difficult to find a place where pets are allowed. And it's, I don't know how there's people here in Germany where they have, like, dogs in their apartments, because literally there's less than half that allow pets in their apartments. You know what? Whatever. I don't even care. I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad about it. Whatever. Just back to the makeup video. Anyway, so just blend that in. Yeah, just keep blending that in. I'm still mad about the apartment thing. Still so mad about it. My husband really wants to move to the US, but, like, we don't have, like, any jobs or anything planned for if we did move back to the US and stuff. I don't know. Germany's just really annoying. And I have to take this German course where I have to learn German and stuff. And I'm terrible at it. Like, I forget all words, basically. I'm already almost done with this course. I've been taking it for a year almost. And I don't think I'm going to pass this final exam thing that we have to take. And I'm supposed to be able to write a letter. And I have no idea how to write a letter. And my class is done in, like, 3 months. And I'm so scared. I'm so scared. My husband keeps telling me, it's fine, it's fine. You know enough German to be able to make a conversation with someone. But, like, I don't know what to do. And I just feel the pressure, man. I feel that pressure. And I'm a Cancer, so I feel a lot of anxiety very quickly. And my husband's a Capricorn, and he hates everyone, so. This video, what I'm talking about, has nothing to do with this video. But y'all are just gonna hear me ramble anyway, because I don't have that many people that watch my videos anyway. Oh god. I'm just having a real bad week this week. I'm struggling. Everything sucks right now. Everything sucks. Except for this makeup look. I think I look super hot once I'm done with it, man. Ended up looking real good. I hope that sound wasn't on the video, because I just got a text message. Anyway, we're almost done. Also, there's this chick in my class, in my German course, and she called me fat multiple times. Like, it was a little cold in the classroom. I didn't feel cold. I was fine, and I was wearing a t-shirt. And the teacher asked me, do you feel cold? And she was like, no, she's got fat on her, so she won't feel cold. How rude? How rude is that? Even if I am fat, what the hell? Like, that is so mean. I'm so... shitty day. Shitty, horrible day. I'm having a horrible week. Horrible week. So frustrating. Anyway. I have my cats to keep me company, and my husband, because he said after I told him that I'm super sexy to him, so it shouldn't matter what she thinks, so whatever. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Almost done. Putting on that mascara. Put on that spray. I'm almost out of that. It's really sucking. Anyway, this is... Oh, thought it was going to be over, but this is the gloss I use. I love this gloss. It makes my lips look nice and pretty. And I'm wearing glasses because I didn't put my contacts in. I'm sorry. Just put that on, and that's the final look. And if you guys like it, you can go ahead and try it. Sorry about my ranting. Okay, and bye!